Do you want buy the Freysa AI? Okay, A. Okay, we are going to the Uniswap website official. Okay, and here we are going to the select token. Okay, here you put Freysa AI. Okay, and here you select and continue. Okay, here you put the Freysa, okay, amount, okay, of you want, okay, buy. Okay, here you wait, okay, of this button, okay, and you click to the get started. Here, okay, you go here and you put the amount here, okay, and you, okay, wait to the finalize, okay, this button, okay, and you click to the connect wallet, and here you select your wallet, okay, for example Phantom wallet, okay, and here you put, okay, your password, okay, you put your password and connect. Okay, here you wait, okay, and buy the Freysa, okay, AI. Bye bye.